In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auctions on eBay Desktop. To get started, open eBay on your desktop browser. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page and click Sell. This takes you into eBay's seller area where you can begin creating a new listing. From there, click List an Item to start building your product page. Next, type in your product so eBay can suggest matching items from its catalog. This can save time and help pre-fill important details. When the matching results appear, choose the product from the library that best fits what you're selling, then click Continue. After that, select the item's condition carefully, since buyers pay close attention to whether something is new, used, or refurbished. Once you've chosen the correct condition, click Continue again. Now you'll move into the full listing editor. Upload your photos and video first, since clear visuals can make a big difference in attracting bidders. Then add your title and make sure it's accurate and descriptive. After that, review and edit the item category if needed so your listing appears in the right section. Next, add the item specifics. This is where you fill in the essential details, such as brand, size, color, and any other requested attributes. These fields help buyers find your listing more easily in search results. Then add your description, using clear language so shoppers understand exactly what they're bidding on. Once your listing details are in place, scroll down to the pricing section. Click the Format dropdown, and if Buy It Now is currently selected, change it by choosing Auction instead. After switching the format, click into the Starting Bid field and enter the opening amount you want bidders to start with. It's a good idea to choose a starting price that feels competitive but still makes sense for your item. When everything looks correct, click List It to publish your auction. And that's how to set an auction on eBay using Desktop.